A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for duck.
D for duck.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for hat.
H for hat.
I for igloo.
I for igloo.
J for joker.
J for joker.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sloth.
S for sloth.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for Xmas.
X for Xmas.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share Coco TV 3R.